Hello, I'm Patrick Jamison, and in this video, I'm going to perform the finishing touches on the PGT Winguard aluminum single hung window. The first task I'm going to work on is inserting the screen into the window. We're going to insert the top part of the screen into the meeting rail first. We'll swing the bottom in, and it's going to snap behind the lip of the sill. Here's the fastener cover for the single hung window. You'll notice that there's a short leg and a longer leg. The longer leg will always face the exterior when snapping into the header. The cover isn't screwed in or glued in, but I'll start on one side of the cover and work my way across the window. The sash stop is the same way as the cover. There's a shorter leg and a longer leg. The longer leg will face the exterior. To recap, I've now performed the finishing touches by adding the screen, cover, and sash stop. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the services you can perform on this window.